Hey sweeties, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to recreate Princess Anna's makeup look, and I tried to make it as realistic as I can. And first thing I did is to use this Nivea Men Post Shave Balm as a primer. And I also sprayed a little bit of watery mist from Tony Moly. And for my foundation today, I used this Maybelline Superstay foundation, and I'm in the shade 128 Warm Nude. And I used my fingers to put the foundation on my face and blend it with a damp makeup sponge. According to the internet, Anna's eyes are color blue, but for me it's green. That's why I am wearing a green contact lens today. Of course, petroleum jelly to moisturize my dry, chappy lips. Moving on with my concealer, I am using my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Sand. This is to conceal my dark under eyes and to highlight the highest points on my face. I just use a makeup sponge to blend it, and then to reshape my mouth, my nose, and my face, I am using this Conceal Correct Contour palette from NYX. Anna's nose is way too smaller than mine, so I am reshaping my nose as close as I can as Anna's nose. Okay, this is still way too far, but this is all I can do now. I also reshaped my face a bit round and bubbly, just like Anna's. And set everything with powder. Here I'm using my NYC loose powder, and I'm just applying it with the makeup sponge that I used earlier to bake my face. And I also used this contour and blush palette from BH Cosmetics to set the cream contour that I put on my face earlier, and to reshape my face a bit more. I am just using this eyebrow pencil from It's Skin in the shade brown. Anna's eyebrows are long, thick, and bold. And I'm going to copy that as I can, and make it as realistic as possible. Moving on with the eye makeup. Anna's eye makeup is the simplest. I am using this Nude Spectrum from Zoeva. I am using this beige eyeshadow all over my eyelid, and then followed with a light brown eyeshadow on my crease, and blend it well. And whatever's left on my brush, I drag it down to my lower lash line. And then I went back to that beige eyeshadow and put it on top of my lid. And with this shimmering white eyeshadow from Gigi Hadid's Jet Setter from Maybelline, I put it in the inner corners of my eyes. And blend it with a blending brush to make it smoother. And using this Shame Shimmering eyeshadow, I use this to highlight my brow bones. And brush away the powders with this fluffy powder brush from Real Techniques. And I curled my lashes with this eyelash curler. I forgot where I got it, but I think this is from NIkon. And I applied a good amount of this Maybelline Colossal Volume Mascara, and it actually came from the Gigi Hadid's Jet Setter palette. I also went crazy with the blush. Anna is bubbly and energetic, so I think it fits to her personality, in my opinion. I highlighted the tips of my nose, my cupid's bow, the highest points of my cheek, the bridge of my nose, and also my forehead. Anna's lips is way too smaller than mine, so I used this nude lip liner from Filmora to reshape my lips just like Anna's. And top it off with this bright pink lipstick from Lips Diva. I let my mascara dry first before I applied my eyeliner, and this felt tip eyeliner is from Wet n Wild. And I lined my waterline with this beige eyeliner from Physicians Formula. And the fun part, recreating her freckles. I am using my Real Lasting Eyebrow from K Palette and putting some random dots on my face and then dab it off with my fingers to soften the look. I'm using a different shade of eyebrow pencil to make it more realistic. I'm done with the makeup and I am just now putting on my wig cap. Put on my Anna's wig, fix it a little bit, and we're done. Now it's time for Aura.